Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Discovery Skills. Today I will show you top 10 hospitals in the world. Dear viewers, hospital is where people in need of medical attention go to. As such, a person should make sure that they are in good hands, especially if serious illness are concerned. With the many hospitals all over the world, it can be painfully difficult to find the best one, especially since there are many considerations and factors to determine which one is really best. Oftentimes, it is a combination of the facilities, doctors, and specializers that would dictate whether a particular establishment is good or not. Here is a list of what we can see are the top 10 hospitals in the world. If you visit the hospitals on this list, then you can be comforted by the fact that you are in capable of hands and that the treatment that you will get will be top notch. Number 10. The Mayo Clinic, USA. It is founded in 1864 in Rochester, Massachusetts. The Mayo Clinic is one of the most well-known healthcare systems in the United States, if not the world. It has consistently ranked among the best hospitals in the USA for the past 3 decades. The Mayo Clinic is home not only to medical practitioners but also to medical students and researchers. In fact, over 7,000 research articles came from the center, focusing on the areas such as disease processes, best practices, and various other that aim to help the medical community worldwide. Number 9. Bumrung Great International Hospital, Thailand. A world-class hospital with 5-star hotel-like accommodation, Bumrung Great International is a primarily English-speaking medical center that caters to over millions of patients each year. The hospital specializes in over 30 areas, which is why medical tourists make this one of their first stops when looking for medical care abroad. Found in Bangkok, Bumrung Great International Hospital is also considered the big hospital in Southeast Asia. Number 8. Singapore General Hospital, Singapore. Singapore General Hospital sees over 1 million patients each year. Like the Mayo Clinic, the Singapore Health Center also specializes in research and education for both undergraduate and postgraduate studies. This hospital is also one of the most advanced around when it comes to patient-hospital interaction through its Health Bubbly app, which makes schedule appointments, paying bills, ordering medicines, and finding a doctor, among others, a breeze. Number 7. Johns Hopkins Hospital, USA. Hands down the most famous hospitals in the world, Johns Hopkins Hospital sees over 3 million patients every year. This is the place to be to get treated for and to learn about cardiology, as the best doctors have either studied or worked here. Considered as the gold standard of hospitals, Johns Hopkins Hospital has consistently rated top in the list of the world's best hospitals for decades. These patients are to research and education as well, not just clinical care. Number 6. University of Tokyo Hospital, Japan. Tokyo University Hospital has been in operation for over 160 years. This establishment is considered to be one of the most advanced in the world, and over 20% of their patients are either under the age of 9 or over 80 years of age. This is also one of the best places for research, with over 35 clinical trials already completed. As Japan is known for its respect and discipline, patients can be ensured of a clean environment and top-notch medical care. Number 5. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, USA. Not only is St. Jude one of the best hospitals in the world when it comes to pediatric care, but it is also free. The hospital is run by donations provided by private individuals and companies, but its quality of their care is never compromised. In fact, they have contributed significantly to increasing the survival rates of children with cancer over the year. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital is open to both USA and foreign residents while also providing opportunities for medical students to learn and complete their studies. Number 4. Massachusetts General Hospital, USA. Found in Boston, Massachusetts, General Hospital is home to 11 Nobel Prize winners. It is also the forefront of research to find vaccine the AIDS. Among other goals, the hospital in addition is on the most advanced with one of the best software for patient record monitoring that was developing from the ground up in-house. It is also the third oldest general hospital in the United States and admits around 50,000 patients each year. Number 3. Toronto General Hospital, Canada. Toronto General Hospital is the largest organization for medical research in Canada. It is also home to the first triple organ transplant as well as the first single and double lung transplants. Another specialty within the hospital is cardiology, with the Peter Munk Cardiac Center being one of the best in Canada and in North America. Number 2. Buddhist Tzu Chi General Hospital, Taiwan. Buddhist Tzu Chi General Hospital can be found in Taiwan, and it is one of the best places to get treated for neurological diseases. The hospital is also the forefront of stem cell research and treatment. In addition to these, they also specialize in other services such as cancer and stroke treatment, organ transplant and spinal surgeries, and many more. The hospital offers free services to the poor as well as increase affected by calamities abroad. And now number 1. Lausanne University Hospital, Switzerland. The Lausanne University Hospital serves over 45,000 patients a year. The specialization includes obstetrics, psychiatry, and infectious diseases. Infarvacin trial for the Ebola virus when done here. Lausanne University Hospital is also one of the best places for research and training, and they even publish their own magazine that is available to the general public. Yes, viewers, there are the top 10 hospitals in the world that you can go. They have the best doctors, facilities, and training that will treat your conditions and improve your quality of life. Of course, nothing beats a healthy lifestyle such as good diet and plenty of exercise to ensure good health. Any case, it is nice to know that there are hospitals such as these can be catered to your medical needs if and when necessary. I hope you will like this video. If you like, then subscribe my channel and share your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.